everyone, it's Nikita Dragun, and today I'm here with Missguided to show you guys what's in my bag. Now, looking in a woman's purse, I don't think anyone should ever do, because you really just find her deepest, darkest secrets by just like looking through her bag, you know? So luckily I have this cute new bag from Missguided that I'm obsessed with. It's clear, but also note that it's clear, so just be careful. You know, you might want people to see what's inside, but maybe you don't want to see what's inside. But sometimes you like want to flex low-key and you're like, oh my God, look at all these things I have inside. You want to take a peek? Let's go. So my first item is a portable ring light moment. I think I got this off of like Amazon, but it has all these different settings that you can just quickly attach to your phone and always have the perfect selfie, the perfect snap. Lighting is literally so key to life. Baby, don't ever think you look fugly. It's just the lighting, I promise. You're gorgeous, you're amazing, you're a goddess. Every goddess needs a good light. I carry this with me at all times. I usually have either this or like a bigger kind of like panel light or something. I'm not kidding you guys. I literally will whip it out at a party. No one's gonna get a pic. Like, you know when the pics come out, it's all blurry and the flash, and then you wanna get a good snap and you wanna like lip sync in the car, and you know, you're in Uber and it's just like, it gets really crazy. So you always have to have a light, and it's literally like $5. So light is essential. Next, essentials I always carry with me like oral hygiene stuff, things to really take care of the little dangly thing that's swinging in the back of my throat. So I always have a thing of toothpaste, a travel toothbrush, and a little mouthwash, breath freshener, or like gum. Sometimes I feel like with gum, it kind of just masks over things, and anytime I eat or just like I'm talking or I'm in a meeting, I just feel like I really need to get a good brush and, you know, tongue scrub and anything, because lots of people are out here talking shit with their white tongue, mouth, and they just need to scrub. So oral hygiene is a must, and I always carry this stuff with me in my purses. Okay, so next thing I have is on the topic still of good hygiene and smelling good and being fresh. I always carry with me a travel size perfume. This is a bigger perfume bottle, but it fits inside of my Missguided bag still. Shout out to Missguided. But I usually either have this or like a small like travel atomizer. I think that's what it's called, like a small one, because again, fresh breath, fresh bitch. If you smell good, you look good. And this is usually a secret, but I'm gonna tell you lucky people watching this Missguided video, this is one of my favorite perfumes. It's the Kayali Vanilla, and it just smells like sex. It's just a light little vanilla smell. And if you don't know what the fragrance of vanilla does to the male mind, Google it. Just see what vanilla does to the male libido. Just saying. I'm the type when I whip this out and people start asking me for stuff, I will tell everyone no. I don't care if you can see through my purse and you can see that I have gum in here. I'm gonna tell you it's my last piece. Go get your own gum. Kidding. Just kidding, I would share with you. I always have to carry with me a handheld mirror. That's another important thing. Like, you just gotta check yourself out. There's been so many times where I think I look cute, but then I was like, oh, I wish I just looked at a mirror for a second. You know, Lord knows what's gonna happen. But similar note to the ring light, you also need something that has a light. The light is dead because I use this a lot. So we're gonna just have to do this moment. Like this. Checking myself out, making sure everything is still in place. Still a bad bitch. I randomly like to carry a lot of different jewelry with me, just because when I do outfit changes or I don't know, diamonds are just like always a good idea. So diamonds are a girl's best friend, you guys. But these are fake diamonds because I would lose real diamonds. I have lost real diamonds. If it looks real and it feels real, is it real? That's the question I ask you guys. If you're ever wondering what lipstick I'm wearing, it's most definitely these two. They just recently sold out, but they will be back in stock very soon. So check out Dragun Beauty for more. See? I'm adding the little Dragun Beauty handle. You always have to carry cash with you. I don't care who you are. I don't care what you're doing. Please, please, please carry cash with you. You never know when you're gonna have to tip somebody. You know, maybe you have to give someone a little something, You gotta go, you know, throw a little here, a little here. Maybe you're just at a drive-thru and you need your money. Like, cash is just necessary, and I feel like people just don't carry cash anymore. And especially here in LA, you just never know what kind of night it's gonna be, so cash is a must. Last makeup item, I swear, but you always have to carry with you lash glue. Now, lash glue can be used for a wide variety of things. I've of course used it to reattach my lashes, because you never know if you're a lash wearer, like, you know, one time, you know, you might cry and then this might fly off or this might fly off or whatever, so be prepared. You just never know. I just like to be prepared. Everything that I have in my bag is always to prepare me, and that's just because I've gone through so many fucking crazy situations that I'm just ready now. You don't gotta get ready when you stay ready, and that's the idea behind my bag always. So I have lash glue. Again, your nail could pop off, your wig could be lifting, you could need to attach a body part, or maybe you have something that you need to glue to something else, to a wall or whatever. Like, you never know when you need to get a little sticky. Basically getting this like spray sunscreen just adds such a sick glow to your body. This is like another trick. See, I just look so, wow. I feel like everyone just needs to look wet and glowy. And also too, it's amazing to wear actual sunscreen. So this is just a quick little trick that I like to do, especially on camera. It looks so amazing. And last but not least, I always like to carry with me a shirt or something comfortable, especially if I'm wearing something a little bit more risque. So this is my Missguided X Playboy, which I'm obsessed with. Everyone knows how obsessed I am with Missguided material, but also just like the Playboy collections. I literally have had every single one since the first drop, and I'm so glad it's like a continuing thing. Shout out Missguided X Playboy. It's my favorite of the line, clearly. But anytime I either travel or am out and about, I always somehow want to get out of my clothes in a way that's like not scandalous. Like, I just feel like sometimes things are too tight, or maybe you're at a friend's house, or maybe you want to change or whatever. I basically never regret having something comfortable to change into. And so any shirt that's like usually oversized or whatever is just like so easy to throw on and kind of go about your day. So, all right, you guys, so it looks like I have nothing left in my Missguided bag. So that is the end of this. Okay, so that's officially everything that I have in my bag that I can legally show you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe down below to Missguided to watch more fun content like this. Like this video, and of course follow me at Nikita Dragun. You know who I am.